Hi. In this video, we will quickly overview Bestway SaluSpa 4-person hot tub 2-pack. Get ready, because things are about to get hot and relaxing in the soothing warmth of the Bestway SaluSpa inflatable hot tub. The digital control panel lets you adjust the temperature without having to get out of the tub. The walls are made of durable 3-ply PVC and have sturdy I-beam construction to allow you to sit on the sides of the spa without it bending. This package also includes a chemical floater to keep your spa clean, a twin pack of filter cartridges, and an inflatable cover. Product benefits. AirJet system features 120 jets. Digital control panel heats up to 104 degrees Fahrenheit. Included 1 pool liner, 1 pool cover, 1 spa pump, 1 chemical floater, 2 filter cartridges, 1 repair patch. For instructions on the assembly and use of the pool, see the manual. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.